Hello, and welcome to the module on editing layer permissions. In this module, we will discuss how to edit layer permission. After signing in, click on the Data drop-down menu, then click on Layers. This will take you to a new web page, where all the layers are listed. To edit the layer's permissions, click on the desired layer. The Layer Details page will appear. Scroll down at the bottom. Click on the Change Layer Permissions button. A Set Permissions for this resource pop-up will appear. Here we can add or edit permissions of all 6 sections. First, we will modify permissions for anonymous users. If we uncheck the Anyone checkbox under the Who Can Download It section and click on the Apply Changes button, a confirmation pop-up will appear, indicating that the permissions have been saved. After this, anonymous users will no longer be able to download the layers. The download button is not there. Let's take different examples, to assign and remove permissions for different users. Here we have user test1. After signing into his account, currently this user will be able to view the layer, and also be able to download it. Now we will remove this user from the permission list. Click on the Apply Changes button. If we try to remove a user only from the View Access list, the system will display a warning, indicating that this user also has download access. To remove View Access, you must remove the user from both sections. Click on the Apply Changes button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Now the layer Watersheds is removed from here. Also, if we try to go with the same link, Not Allowed screens will appear. Here we have user John Doe. After signing into his account, the user John Doe currently see the layer, named, Watersheds, and also be able to download this layer and its metadata, only. Now we will assign some other permissions as well to his account. To do so, click on the Change Layer Permissions button. A Set Permissions for this resource pop-up will appear. Here we will assign other permissions. As this user belongs to the admin group, so we can add his group, or directly write username. Once the permissions have been modified, click on the Apply Changes button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Now if we go to user John Doe again, we will see there are more permissions there, that were previously not. The Editing Tool feature is now visible. Scroll to the bottom, we will see that the Change Layer Permissions feature is now visible. From here, this user can now also assign permissions to other users, or groups of users.